good, YouTube? Today we're gonna try to see what's up with the AMG. You feel me? Right now, she might just do a couple walk-arounds or whatever, so she can, you know what I mean, let y'all see this joint. But we're gonna try to get the mufflers deleted today. You feel me? But yeah, like at this point, we got a lot of things to do to this joint, but we just gonna get the mufflers deleted. But yeah, now just gonna give y'all a walk around or whatever, and feel me. About to hear that joint before that joint start. Go to the muffler shop.
You want to see the plate?
And now, just gotta let y'all hear the exhaust, you know what I mean? And let that joint, hear how that joint sound right now, you know what I mean?
Now he's going to start the car up so y'all can hear the exhaust.
Even though it ain't that bad, but you know, we need that joint a little louder, you know what I mean? But you know, we gonna wake up a couple people when we get that joint done. But you know, we just gonna cut y'all back on when we get to the muffler shop. So right now, I'm about to go to the shop, you know what I mean? To the car, yeah, I really don't be trusting the niggas in the car, but at this point, it's like, we just gonna you know, try to see what we can do. This, some gas in here, you know, it's gonna take 90 degrees. Put this gas in here, we're gonna go to the doggone drop this joint off, and then we're gonna just pick that joint up and all that. Let me let y'all know when we back at the shop.
Right now, oh, look at that one. So what happened?
Yeah, so right now he said he's just gonna do that joint, and we're gonna do this, he's just gonna leave it until he's done. And you know, y'all just stay tuned for whatever else that joint nice right there. Damn shit. But yeah, at the end of the day, we're gonna leave that joint and come back for that joint once it's done.
Alright, y'all, we out.